Welcome to our channel Useful Gadgets. Today we'll explore the best kitchen containers to make your cooking area more organized and efficient. Let's dive in and discover the containers that will make your life simpler. Number 1. Tupperware Heritage Collection.
Tupperware Heritage Collection 7.6 cup cookie canister, vintage light pink color, dishwasher safe and BPA-free container. Airtight lid locks in freshness and flavor with Tupperware's iconic quality and style. Signature instant seal opens easily and closes with a single press. Sturdy, dishwasher-safe material, holds up use after use and wash after wash. Stacks neatly with identical canisters for efficient storage. Lock in freshness and flavor with Tupperware's iconic quality and style. Signature instant seal lid avoids spills in refrigerator and on the go. Features an airtight lid that seals instantly with one press in the middle of the lid and a ridge at the rim for a secure, comfortable grip. Sturdy material, holds up use after use and wash after wash.
Number 2. Dishwasher safe containers. The lid lock food storage containers with lids are made of locking mechanism, ensuring freshness through 100% airtightness. With the extra large containers, they will provide your pantry organization the ultimate edge. This set provides a total of 24.8 liter in storage with 4 3.2 liter and 2 6.5 liter containers. These kitchen storage containers will keep away foul odor, moisture and pests. Get started on your pantry organization and storage project today. These containers are ideal for storing dry fruits such as flour, sugar, rice, cereals, snacks, coffee, and much more in large quantities. Stackable floor storage container set is designed to minimize space and fit in cabinets, refrigerators, on kitchen countertops. These clear containers are ideal pantry organizers. Number 3. Wildone Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl. Wildone set contain 5-piece stainless steel mixing bowls which allows users to measure, mix, pour, serve food all in one kitchen tool. They come with BPA-free airtight lids, 3 greater attachment, silicone non-slip bottoms and measurement marks. Each bowl is made of premium grade stainless steel that is designed to resist dent and rust proof. They feature a mirror finish inside and brush finish outside, which are attractive as well as functional. This set can be used as dry storage bowl with lids on. Besides, the plastic lid of the largest bowl has a removable center. In here, one of 3 free graters can be placed in case you need to grate something. Cords and litters are clearly engraved inside the bowl and fade-proof, meet the demand of different measurement. A silicone non-slip bottom keeps the stainless steel bowl steady on countertops when beating and whisking. Users can mix, beat or whisk ingredient with little mess, as the wide deep bowl have high walls to prevent splatter. It's convenient to use and even easier to clean. These bowls can be cleaned easily by hand with water and soap or in the dishwasher. But lids and graters are hand wash only because using the dishwasher would deform them. The bowls are safe in refrigerator and freezer and preheat oven. Number 4. Mr. Siga Food Storage Container Set. It keeps your food and snacks fresher and drier with the airtight lid. Great for storing cereal, spaghetti, pasta, nuts, candies, sugar, beans and more. It's also a great gift for your family and friends. Squeeze and hold both buttons to open or seal the lid. It's convenient to operate with one hand. The squeeze to open mechanism with silicone gasket ensures airtight seal. A silicone gasket attached to the container fully with its stretch by releasing button on the lid. Its secure sealing keeps food out of moisture and humidity. It is made from food grade materials, 100% BPA free. So these pantry organization and storage containers with decent quality are completely safe for storing food. Number 5. MCIRCO Glass Food Storage Containers. Its lids are BPA free and containers are made of high quality borosilicate glass, which is stronger than cheaper glass food storage containers. Safely go straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. It uses snap lock lids that comes with silicone seals to ensure your meal prep food will last much longer than normal plastic food storage containers. These lids are easy to use and will stop leaking. 15 containers with 15 lids with multiple sizes and shapes to fulfill your storage requirements. It can be used in the microwave, freezer, dishwasher and oven. Number 6. Lifewit Rice Storage Container. This rice storage container can hold 25 pounds of rice, allowing you to store more rice for a long time and keep it hygienic. It can not only store rice but also other small grains. It is made of premium polypropylene material and is durable for long-term use. The sealing ring inside the lid can prevent dust of isolating the air. It is also smell-proof so your rice can be safely stored. To dispense rice, simply press the button and release to stop. Transparent scales on the dispenser and measuring cup allow you to see how much rice remains and how much has been measured. Additionally, it is easy to disassemble and clean. To buy these containers, links are given in the description box below. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and share, and please do subscribe my channel. Subscribing will keep you updated with the latest product videos and exciting content.